Hey guys, Vlad here, welcome to the channel. So apart from making awesome water cooling AIO coolers, DeepCool has several air coolers that are great also. So apart from the amazing Assassin 3, here is another addition to the family. This is the AS500 Plus CPU cooler. Right upon opening the box, there is a little box with all the necessary cables, screws and mounting kits for all modern CPU sockets. And of course, the cooler itself. So immediately you can notice it is a dual tower slim design but with 140mm fans, which should provide plenty of airflow and hence cool the CPU better, but we shall see that in a bit. Here are some specs of this cooler. Dimensions, let's see, 142mm wide, 98mm thick and whopping 164mm tall. So yeah, you will need an adequate case for it. For example, the Macube 110 in which I had it mounted in. The TDP is rated at amazing 220 watts, so plenty enough to cool even 16-core beasts. Fans are TF140S model, fluid dynamic bearing type, with an interesting fin design to help airflow and reduce noise while doing so. And this fan can deliver 70.81 CFM of airflow and 1.14mm H2O of static pressure. Being slim in design, RAM clearance is not an issue at all, and you can populate all 4 DIMM slots with tall RAM sticks even. The base of the heatsink is not mirror polished, you can see the machine markings on it, but it comes with 5 nickel-plated heat pipes which are 6mm thick. Maximum noise is rated at below 29 decibels. Fans are of course PWM controlled, and what's most interesting about this cooler is, well, it was obvious from the start, the RGB of course. ARGB to be precise, so it uses 5V connection on supported motherboards and can be controlled via the motherboard software or with included controller if your motherboard does not support ARGB 5V connection. So don't worry, DeepCool got you covered. The installation is amazingly simple. Choose your mounting kit, attach the screws to the board and simply screw the cooler all the way till the end. It will stop once fully tightened. Connect the fans after that. They are attached with these clips on the side and are pretty easy to attach. You can't go wrong, one is going in the front and the other in the back, as the airflow is going from the front of the case through the back. Connect the power to the CPU fan header on the motherboard and connect RGB to the board if you have the connection on the board, of course. If not, you can proceed with the included controller. It will require SATA power to run it. And voila, the ARGB is subtle on it and yet enough to add a bling factor to the PC. Combine this with other ARGB coolers from DeepCool and you pretty much have one pimped PC. The top of the heatsink is covered in plastic and RGB lights shine on the sides with various lighting modes of course, so check how they look. Okay, I know that you are eager to see the temperatures, but let me remind you that this cooler is only $59.99 and for that price and being slim tower design in first place, it cools pretty amazing, even against some more fierce competitors. The system I used for this test was a Gigabyte B450M DS3H board with AMD Ryzen 3 3100 CPU. DeepCool released many new products and I am grateful that they have sponsored some of my builds lately, and I must say in a completely unbiased way that with every new product they up the quality a lot. And so is with this cooler. I thought in the beginning, oh wait, this is way too slim to cool properly, but once put to the test it shows its true colors, and quite literally too with ARGB effects. So neck to neck with big players out there like Noctua and Sight, this cooler is amazing and it can fit any board and most importantly will not block your RAM slots, so you are not limited in any way possible. The only way you may be limited with this one is with its height, so before deciding on getting one, please check maximum clearance of your case. Well, that's all for this time guys. If you came this far in the video, thank you for watching it all the way, and if you like the content, please subscribe, like and share the video. Stay tuned for the next video with some more exciting DeepCool products. See ya!